Wow, what a crazy year. AI has taken the world by storm. The channel has reached well over 4,500 subscribers. And now I'm filming in my own dedicated YouTube studio. And next year is going to be even crazier. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you a quick channel update. I started making YouTube videos to help people become more productive with the help of AI. I was the first one that used ChatGPT in order to create use case diagrams. And because of that, that video got over 74,000 views, which is absolutely crazy. But so much has happened since that video in March. I've been accepted in the YouTube Partner Program and averaged over 250,000 views across the channel. I moved into a new house with a dedicated YouTube studio, and although it's not quite finished yet, as you can see, I thought that it's now in a stage that allows me to start creating again. And even though these breakthroughs are absolutely crazy, there were a few things that halted me in the process. Because the last few months I got pretty sick with a lung infection. And as a result, I had to stay in bed for a while. But luckily, thanks to great care, I'm feeling much better and bursting with energy to create new videos for you to watch. So what is next in 2024? Well, of course, many new videos. The CEO of Microsoft said that 2023 was going to be the year of AI. But I think that the next year will be even crazier. Actually, because of the help of AI, so many new discoveries will be made in 2024. So stay tuned for that. And of course, that means that I want to keep you updated on all the cool things that are possible now. And that save you time and let you do some fun things instead. Many of you have actually been asking me about my YouTube setup, which was actually quite basic when I started in March. But I have been purchasing a few new gadgets, which are of course absolutely unnecessary, but I will make a dedicated video about that as well when the studio is completely finished. And throughout the coming weeks, I will be using the community poll a little bit more often, because I want to know what kind of videos you would like to see. Whether that would be talking about a specific tool like ChatGPT, or maybe include a little bit more of the AI news. But I also know that there are already so many great channels covering that, like MadVid Pro or Matt Wolfie. So let me know what you would like to see. Oh, and one more thing, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support and all the kind words that you have been leaving in the comments. I read every single comment and they truly mean a lot to me. And of course, I want to wish you a very happy new year with good health and hope that you will save loads of time thanks to AI and my videos. And I'll see you in the next one.